All right, guys, today we are finally putting in the 383 and 4-speed into our 56 Chevy giveaway car, and we're excited because now it's going to finally have a stout engine combo. We ran the 383 last week and it sounded really good, really healthy. If you guys haven't seen the whole beginning part of the video series, you should really go back on the channel and check out all the videos because we have put in so much work into this car. When we first got it, it was a total POS. But we did a one-day paint and body job and it looks so much better now. Really happy with how that turned out. We also did a full rebuild on that engine. You know, at first we thought it was a 350, but ended up being a 383. So we went the extra mile and we decided to invest in some aluminum cylinder heads and a hydraulic roller camshaft for one of you guys. So whoever wins it can have a really reliable combination built by me. And that kind of brings us to today. We are going to, like I said, get the engine and trans in the car. We're also working on the brakes. We got the old rotors and calipers off.
We're basically just replacing all the old stuff with brand new parts so we can have some stopping power because that engine's about to have about 500 horsepower.
I know, it's probably gonna make over 500 horse. Today's Memorial Day and we are putting in the long hours on this thing. Everybody else is at the beach having a blast, enjoying their day off, but we're here in the shop working on the car for one of you guys to win and enjoy this summer. You know, it's been a lot of work and I'll be dead honest with you, we did not feel like filming a video today, but we're powering through. And because this is a car that we built ourselves, we did not buy it finished. We're literally touching every component on this car and we have lots more coming. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, hit subscribe because you're about to witness a full interior transformation on this thing. We're gonna get it driving soon so we can take it on its first drive ever. So yeah, hit subscribe because there's lots coming. How do you stay motivated on days where you like absolutely don't want to work on a car?
You just got to get in there and start working on it. It'll get better. Most times when you go to work on a car, you're not super motivated, but once you just got to get in there and get greasy, it'll wake you up. Watch your eyes.
Bit of anti-seize. I really did not want to put these on.
Why?
Because they're gonna look so good and they can't go with the car, unfortunately.
Yeah, so guys, these wheels and tires actually belong to Blue Bayou back there. We're borrowing them for right now because the tires that belong on this car are actually at the tire shop right now getting brand new rubber. So, dang, these look so good on the car. This is gonna spoil us. Now we're gonna want these wheels and tires on this.
Okay, how tight should I go on these now?
Just a couple chugs.
Like this?
Yep.
Boom, look at that stance.
Looks good. I like those wheels on this car.
I know, me too.
Okay, so we removed the hood and we painted the engine compartment all black. Looks much better now. Olivia is removing the headers. We're basically getting this thing all prepped and ready to lift up with a hoist and then connect it to the bell housing and transmission and then back in the car. How's it going over here?
This is horrible.
Those header bolts are not easy to get to. This is gonna go right there. Yeah. Oh, we got 2. I don't like keeping my leg underneath that motor.
I know, I don't like it either.
But sometimes you just gotta take a risk. You're part of the team, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Derek's here working on the Firebird.
Yeah.
Getting it on.
It's a good thing he's here because we're gonna need a hand putting this motor in.
Awesome, awesome.
Cool, so that's all torqued down.
Yeah, so this dowel is gonna line up with that, and then this dowel will line up here. Ready?
Yep.
Finally, it's time to get the 383 in.
All right, lift her up.
Okay.
That's good.
Yay!
Come on in, a little bit more.
Kick her over.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably good right there for a thumbnail photo. Keep going. Okay, go down. Okay, now in, now down, in. Okay, okay, can I come down?
Yeah, come down and come forward with it.
Okay. Tight. Okay.
All right.
I can come up with the motor a little bit if we need to.
No, that's all right.
There it is. Okay, coming down.
Yep, go ahead. Nice.
Cleared
Okay.
it? Okay.
Yeah, we're clear. Whoa.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
Thanks, Derek.
Of course. I think you're in. Dude, I don't know.
They look so good.
You look so good.
Quick interruption, guys. We have merch back in stock. So we pretty much have every single t-shirt back in stock, including our small block Chevy header design on the cream comfort color shirt. So this just hit the website in all sizes. We also got our Spent It All on Speed design in cream and in black. And then we even have the Nitro guy back in stock. So this one's really popular, so get that one while you can. This is our newest one, the 5 Spokes for Life. And this one is our very first pocket tee. So for those of you who wanted a pocket t-shirt, this is a great option right here. And then we have our OG logo right here with this like candy apple red glitter ink, which is really, really pretty. And then you guys sold us out of all of these Beach Shack shirts, but we got them back. So we got plenty on the shelf. So happy shopping, guys. Good luck. And the giveaway ends on 4th of July. All right, the guys are going to muscle the Muncie 4-speed in.
Slide it over. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Okay.
And now, I got transmission. You pull off the end cover and spin it.
There it is.
You're in the hole.
All right, baby, can you get some bolts?
Yep.
It's one of these 3. What is that, 3/4?
This is what it is. Let's see. 3/4.
Yeah.
There you guys go. Transmission is in.
He's in.
Somebody's getting a 4-speed.
Yeah. Action.
Dun, 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 dun. Maybe, do you think this got out of adjustment any?
I don't remember like spinning it around much. We just took it out and put it straight on the floor. But who's to say that it wasn't hooked up the correct way when we got it, you know?
For sure.
Look at this. You guys getting the vision now? Wait till you see what we do with the interior next. We already got some parts coming in.
How's it going, Derek?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Really?
Give it a try. Give it a shift.
Let's see. Let's see what we got here. First. Oh, wow. That felt good. Second. Oh wait, maybe, okay. Maybe this is first,
Yeah.
second, third. Damn, boy!
Does reverse work?
Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, there's reverse. There's reverse.
Current state. It's gonna look so good when we're done with it.
Heck yeah. It's looking good.
Yep. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you get your entries in, head to gnarlyspeedshop.com and order some merch. Literally anything you guys want. There's stickers, t-shirts, hats, keychains, everything. So hit the website, and one of you guys is gonna be cruising this 56 this summer. So the giveaway ends on 4th of July, so in just a little over a month, and we still have a lot of work to do to transform this thing. Like I said, we got the interior coming up. We also wanna get this thing running in the car here very shortly. Hook up the brakes, and then this thing's gonna be ready for its first test drive, which is so exciting. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe because we are so close to 100,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much to everyone who is currently subscribed, and yeah, we will see you guys in the next one.